More and more people are now enough digitally literate that they can use digital mode of transactions. The Common Service Center network of the country has enrolled over 1 crore rural citizens under the DigiDhan Abhiyan. The Abhiyan started on 8th of December and over 3 crore merchants have already started offering digital payments options to rural customers across various districts and blocks in rural India. Union Information and Technology Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad lauded the role of common service centers in the task of digital awareness and termed them as the field soldiers in digital awareness campaign.
CSC के माध्यम से हमने देश में डिजिटल इंडिया के फील्ड सोल्जर्स को तैयार किया है। वो गांव में हैं, महिलाएं हैं, नौजवान हैं, दलित हैं। आपका मैं देश में कई जगह उनका कॉन्फ्रेंस कर चुका हूं और हजारों की संख्या में वो आते हैं और आपको मालूम है कि वो आधार कार्ड बनाते हैं, वो पैन कार्ड बनाते हैं, वो पासपोर्ट बनाते हैं।
There has been exponential growth in digital transactions since 8th of November when demonetization was announced. The number of RuPay transactions grew 445% and as of 26th of December the total value of transactions stood at 282 crore rupees per day. E-wallets recorded a growth of 243% with a transaction of 75 lakh per day. The total value of transactions by e-wallets stood at 293 crore rupees per day as of 26th of December. UPI or Unified Payments Interface saw a growth of 1961% in number of transactions and as of 26th of December 35 crore rupees worth of transaction took place almost every day. USSD saw maximum growth rate in both numbers and value of transactions. The number of transactions grew 4,844% by 26th of December and the value jumped by a whopping 5,014%. And finally, POS machines also saw a number going northwards with transactions increasing 95% and the value jumping by 43%. With December 30th deadline just around the corner, more and more people are opting for digital mode of transactions. Under the DigiDhan Abhiyan, 1 crore people have enrolled for digital transformation of the country. This digital transformation will make sure that money will no longer be anonymous and every penny will be accountable. With camera person Aditya, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.